The Hero Group is a conglomerate with essential interests and tasks in automotive manufacturing, financing, sustainable power source, electronics manufacturing, and education. They have offices and production facilities spread across 5 continents. The Hero Group incorporates Hero MotoCorp, Hero FinCorp, Hero Future Energies, Rockman Industries, Hero Electronics, and the BML Munjal University. The beginnings of Hero Group can be followed to 1956 when Hero Cycles Limited was set up by the Munjal siblings, specifically Dayanand Munjal, Satyanand Munjal, Brijmohan Lal Munjal, and O.P. Munjal. The company has since gotten inseparable from two-wheelers in India. Hero MotoCorp, formerly Hero Honda Motors Limited, is the world's biggest producer of bikes. With development at the center of its way of thinking, the New Delhi, India settled Hero MotoCorp has been at the front line of planning and growing mechanically progressed cruisers and bikes for clients around the globe. It turned into the world's biggest bike maker in 2001 regarding unit volume deals in a scheduled year and has kept up the pint for title for as long as 18 sequential years. The timeline of operations are as follows. In 1956, Brijmohan Lal Munjal started as a bicycle company along with its 3 brothers Om Prakash Munjal, Dayanand Munjal, and Satyanand Munjal. In 1978, the group had managed to acquire license for mopeds. This marked the venturing of the company into two-wheeler business. In early 1980s, Hero Cycles had already crossed the production mark of 1 million bicycles and decided to diversify into various fields: textile spinning, financial services, cold rolling steel mill. In 1983, Hero hit another milestone by collaborating with automobile company Honda of Japan. The JV company, incorporated as Hero Honda Motors Limited, rolled out their first motorcycle CD100 in the year 1985. In 1986, Hero Cycles registered with the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest bicycle manufacturer in the world, with production of 19,000 bicycles per day. In 1991, Hero Honda FinLease was established in order to finance the motorcycles for customers. In 2010, Hero Realty and Infra was established with an aim to diversify the business segments. In 2011, after separating from Honda, Hero Group renamed the company as Hero MotoCorp. In 2013, the group established Hero Future Energies, which operates as a power producer. In 2015, the group established Hero Electronics, a venture into the technology space with a vision to create leading technology businesses out of India. Leading company segments: Hero MotoCorp Limited. Hero MotoCorp is India's leading two-wheeler company, which has been providing customers with an excellent range of two-wheelers that ensure both style and comfort. Today, Hero MotoCorp has made it its central goal to turn into the best bike organization in India, as well as around the world, by setting benchmarks in style, execution, and innovation. They have 8 around-the-world benchmark producing offices, with 6 located in India and 1 each in Colombia and Bangladesh. Next is Hero Cycles Limited. Hero Cycles started with manufacturing cycle components, slowly paving its way onto becoming one of the best cycle brand in India. Today, Hero Cycles is undoubtedly the largest manufacturer of bicycles in India, producing 5.2 million cycles per annum. Beginning from a little unit to making a tremendous worldwide impression, Hero Cycles Creation Unit in Ludhiana is completely furnished with an in-house R&D office, delivering significant bike parts under rigid quality boundaries, conforming to every worldwide norm. Hero Future Energies Limited. Hero Future Energies Private Limited, that is HFE, operates as a power producer. The company specializes in wind and solar power generation. HFE additionally offers arrangements and establishment of vitality frameworks. HFE is already a heavyweight in India with 1.3 GW installed renewables capacity and another 1.5 GW under construction in both the domestic and overseas markets. The organization has aspirations to work across Europe, Asia, and African business sectors. Hero FinCorp Limited. Hero FinCorp is an Indian non-banking financial company, that is NBFC. The company is currently engaged in consumer finance businesses and commercial lending. Consumer finance includes financing Hero MotoCorp two-wheeler, loyalty customer loans, and providing loans against property. They are available at about 2,000 retail financing touch focuses across Hero MotoCorp's organization and have joined forces with more than 2,000 fulfilled corporate customers. Hero Electronics Limited. Hero Electronics is the Hero Group's venture into the technology space with a vision to create leading technology businesses from India. Through key ventures and associations in the computerized and hardware space, the organization plans to lead India towards the Digital India initiative. Next is Munjal Auto Limited. Munjal Auto Industries Limited, that is MAIL, is a leading auto component manufacturing company producing exhaust systems complete for two-wheelers and four-wheelers, spoke rims for two-wheelers, steel wheel rims for two-wheelers and four-wheelers, fuel tanks for four-wheelers, seat frames for four-wheelers and other automotive assemblies. Munjal Showa Limited. Established in 1985 in technical and financial collaboration with Showa Corporation of Japan, the pioneering global leaders in the manufacturing of shock absorbers. Conclusion. A little corn has now become a powerful oak. From cycle to two-wheeler was a characteristic advance, and the Hero Group appeared. They have been persistently making progress towards cooperative energy between innovation, frameworks, and technology to give items and administrations that meet the quality, execution, and value goals of the clients. Like each example of overcoming adversity, Hero's adventure contains a component of soul and venture, of accomplishment through coarseness and assurance, combined with vision and fastidious arranging. Thank you for watching. स्टॉक एच करो, स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर बनो।